Hello, and thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to talk about adding the delivery status and notes to the MyRoute delivery tracking report. The first step is to save your route. If you have an individual route, you can use the Save and Export link. Click Save and Export, then Save Routes, and give your route a unique name, or use the system-generated name. If you have multiple routes in the set, we recommend saving each route individually. When you save routes individually, the map will clear the rest of the routes. Simply click Undo to restore the full map of routes. The next step will be to email the route to your driver, making sure to check the box that activates delivery tracking. Your driver will open the email on his phone and tap the link that opens the route with the MyRoute app. After opening the route, the driver should go to Settings and make sure everything is set up correctly for tracking and notifications. Since we're going to be tracking the route, we need to have arrival and live tracking selected in the tracking options. Since the driver will be logging the delivery status or adding notes for his stops, we should select Show Visit Status page for the arrival notification behavior. This will cause the delivery status page to appear each time the driver taps on the arrival notification. He can then add comments and set the status for each stop. When the settings are correct, tap the menu again and select Navigate. To get started, we'll go to the stop we want to navigate to and tap Navigate. Our chosen navigation app will then open and give us turn-by-turn directions to the stop.
Let's get started. Drive safely.
When we arrive at the stop, a notification will show on the screen briefly, and then will remain in the notification bar, and we can just swipe down and tap the notification. Because we set the arrival notification behavior to Show Visit Status page, the delivery status will default to Visited. We can now enter our comments using the keyboard or voice to text. Then we will update and navigate next, which will take us back to the navigation app and take us to the next stop. If the driver ever needs to edit his notes, he can just go to a stop on the navigation page and tap Delivery Status link to get to that particular stop's status and notes. He can then edit the notes however he wishes. The dispatcher can view the delivery tracking report throughout the day and see the updated notes and delivery status in real time. At the end of the day, be sure to export the report to an Excel spreadsheet for safekeeping. If you have any questions about the delivery tracking feature or about the notes and delivery status, please email us at support@myrouteonline.com. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using MyRouteOnline.